Hi, everyone, and welcome to today's podcast. My name is Richard, and I'm really happy to be here with you. Today, we're going to talk about something that I know many of you find difficult: the fear of speaking English. I understand, speaking a new language can feel scary. Maybe you're worried about saying the wrong thing, or perhaps you don't feel confident yet. But don't worry, you're not alone. So many English learners around the world feel the same way. The good news is that there are simple ways to get past this fear, and that's what we're going to explore together today. So, grab a drink, sit back, and let's start this journey together. First, let's talk about why we feel afraid to speak English. For a lot of people, it's because they don't want to make mistakes. We think, what if I say something wrong? Will people laugh at me or think I'm not smart? But here's the truth. Everyone makes mistakes when they learn something new. It's normal. Another reason could be that we don't feel good about our skills yet. Maybe you think your vocabulary isn't big enough, or your pronunciation isn't perfect. That's okay. Confidence doesn't come right away. It grows with practice. So let's stop focusing on the fear and start looking at how to move forward. Ready? Let's go. One of the easiest ways to stop being afraid is to start small. What does that mean? Well, you don't have to begin with a big conversation with a native speaker. Instead, try something simple and safe. For example, you can practice speaking English by yourself. Talk about your day out loud, like, "Today I woke up, ate breakfast, and went for a walk." No one's listening, so there's no pressure. You can also chat with friends or family who are learning English too. You can help each other and have fun. Another idea is to use language apps where you can talk to virtual characters or other learners. Starting small helps you feel more comfortable, little by little. Now, let's talk about mistakes. I know they can feel embarrassing, but mistakes are actually a good thing when you're learning. Think of them as your teachers. Every time you say something wrong, you get a chance to learn how to do it better. So, don't be afraid of them. Embrace them. When you make a mistake, don't feel bad. Instead, think, okay, what can I fix here? Maybe you said "I go" instead of "I went," or you got a word wrong. No problem. Write it down if you want. And try again next time. The more you practice this, the less scary mistakes will feel, and the more confident you'll become. Another great way to feel less afraid is to prepare before you speak. When you know what you want to say, it's a lot easier to open your mouth. For example, if you need to talk in English at school or work, practice first. Say it out loud a few times until it feels natural. You can also learn useful phrases for daily life, like, "Can I have a coffee, please?" Or, "Where is the bus stop?" There are tons of free resources online, like videos or websites, to help you with this. Try pretending you're in a situation, like ordering food or meeting someone new, and practice what you'd say. Preparation makes speaking feel less like a surprise and more like something you're ready for. Sometimes, we need people around us to help us feel brave. That's why finding a supportive community is so helpful. Look for groups where you can practice English with other learners. Maybe a language club near you or an online group. There are also websites and social media pages where people share tips and talk about learning English. When you're with others who understand your struggles, it's easier to relax and try speaking. They can cheer you on, give you advice, and celebrate with you when you improve. Plus, learning with friends is way more fun than doing it alone. So find your people. They'll make a big difference. Finally, don't forget to celebrate how far you've come. Learning English is like a long trip, and every step counts. Did you talk to someone in English today? Did you understand a song or a show better? That's amazing. Give yourself a pat on the back. You can write down your successes in a notebook, like, "Today I asked a question in English," or treat yourself to something nice when you hit a goal. Maybe a snack or a movie night. Celebrating keeps you excited and reminds you that you're getting better. Even if it's slow, you're doing great, And that's worth smiling about. So that's it. 5 ways to stop being afraid of speaking English. Let's go over them quickly. Start small. Embrace your mistakes. Prepare before you speak. Find a supportive community and celebrate your progress. It takes time to feel confident, but you've got this. I believe in you, and I hope these ideas help you feel stronger and braver when you speak English. If you want to share your story or ask me something, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for listening today. Keep practicing, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next podcast.